Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Honda Prologue EV to HondaLink step by step clearly. To connect your Honda Prologue EV to HondaLink, start by ensuring your vehicle is in park and turned on. Next, locate your smartphone and download the HondaLink app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading, open the HondaLink app. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to the HondaLink app. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. In the HondaLink app, select the option to add a new vehicle. The app will prompt you to choose your vehicle model. Since you're connecting a Honda Prologue EV, select that option. You will be asked to accept the terms and conditions of using the app. Once accepted, the app will search for your vehicle. On your vehicle's display screen, select the HondaLink option. A code will appear on your vehicle's screen. Enter this code into the HondaLink app on your smartphone. After entering the code, your phone will confirm the connection. You may be prompted to allow access to your location and notifications. Once granted, the app will sync with your vehicle. You will receive a confirmation message that your Honda Prologue EV is connected. Take a moment to explore the features available through the HondaLink app. You're now ready to utilize HondaLink to monitor and manage your vehicle remotely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.